We got to get in the front seat.
You're right, and you control the road now. As a reminder, all the other places that we're into on the line. Also, the main street to those on that window line. When you're ready, please go back to your left order.
They don't waste much time.
No, they don't.
Ah, cobwebs.
Oh, wait, this is...
A pretty long tunnel.
I know.
They definitely needed a couple things popping out again there.
Yeah.
Maybe in Halloween.
Oh, yeah, maybe they do at Halloween.
Cowabunga! Little airtime.
I know.
On the hill. Woo! That's a solid coaster. That's a solid coaster.
You guys try road free.
They had a machine every time.
Boy, that thing was just pulling you out of the seat. But it was nice and smooth, you know, it didn't beat you up.
Yeah.
Great coaster.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna like fly out,
10.
especially at the end there.
10 out of 10. I rate that a 10 out of 10. What do you give that one?
I like your ears. Oh, thank you. I don't know. I'd say a 10 out of 10 too. 9 out of 10. If I knew I was going to stand up, I would have put my phone out of my pocket because I was really scared it was going to fall out.